Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is sort the array in alternate manner. For example, this is the array size. It's a given array. We have to sort it in both ascending as well as descending. For example, first we start with descending. Here the first largest number is 19. Then second element will be first smallest number, ascending order. Smallest number is 1. Then second largest element is 16. 16. Second smallest element is 7. Then third largest number. Likewise, the element will get shorter. Okay, shall we begin with our program? As usual, we get size. Then we didn't get input from array. We use array list for that. So that I declare array list integer al new array list. After that, I get input al dot add of sc dot nested. This element will get stored here. Then I pass it that I pass them it in method alternate array list. This will go here. Go here. Now I show you the element how will get stored. Al dot 0 is so Al dot get of 0 is 1, get of 1 is 7, get of 2 is 11, get of 3 is 16, get of 4 is 19. Likewise, the element will get stored in array list. After that, I declare another array list of name AL2. After I sort the array list now, I sort the array list AL, which is I will get shorted this array list. This will get stored in a shorted manner. So 1, 7, 11, 16, 19. It's already in shorted manner, right? So no problem. It will get shorted in this way. Then I declare another array list AL3 and copy the value of AL2 in AL2 in AL3. Here I copy the values of AL2, AL2. Okay, so this will also store like elements like this only. This only instead AL2 will come. Okay, then I copy the values in AL2 to AL3. I copy the same here also. Now tree array list consists of same values. Okay, only the name will be differ. Likewise, the element will get stored in the three different array list. After that, I collection dot sort of AL3 array list tree collection dot reverse order of. This will sort the array list tree in descending order. Okay, this will sort the array list in descending order. I show you how it will get reassigned. It will get descending order means here the top element will come, which means that the reverse order 19, then 16, 11, 7, and 1. Now, likewise, the element will get stored in array list 3. After that, I initialize j is equal to 0, k is equal to 0. I iterate the array list 1, AL. Okay. Then, if even position, print the element tree, array list 3 element. If it is odd position, print the array list 1 element. Okay. For example, I is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, 0% true equal to 0, right? So 0% true not equal to 0. So it will get here AL dot get of K. Okay. It will come here 0% true equal to 0. The condition is true. So it will print AL3 dot get of J, which is it will print what means AL 3 dot get of J is 0. So it will print the elements AL3 dot get of 0 what 19. 19 will get printed here. I show here the separate output, how the output will be like. So it will better here. Okay. How the output will get stored. First 19 will get printed. Okay, here. Then J will get incremented to 1. Now I will get incremented to 1. I percent 1% to not equal to 0. So it will come here, else condition. AL dot get of K. Here AL dot get of K is 0, right? So AL dot 0 what? We know array gets shorted here. AL dot get of 0 is 1. So it will print 1 and increment the K equal to 1. So now 1 will get printed. After that, I incremented to 2. 2% to equal to 0. The condition is true. So it will come here. Now AL dot get of J. J means J is 1 here. So AL3 dot get of J1, which is what? AL3 dot get of 1 is 16. So 16 will get printed and J will increment it to 2. So 16 will print here. Okay. Then I get incremented to 3. It's not I plus 3% to not equal to 0. So it will come else condition. It print AL dot get of K. K is 1 here. AL dot get of 1. AL dot get of 1 what? AL dot get of 1 is 7. So 7 will get printed. K incremented to 2. 7 will get printed. Okay. Now I is equal to 4. 4% to equal to 0. So the condition is true. AL dot get of J. AL dot get of 2 what? AL3 dot get of 2. AL3 dot get of 2 is 11. So it will print 11 here. Then J will get incremented to 3. 11 will get printed. Okay. Now the I is equal to 5. Array size is also 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. The condition satisfied by, but here 5 less than 5. So the condition will not satisfy. It come outside the loop. Our output will be like this. Shall we run the program? I copy the same input. Yeah, 19, 1, 16, 7, 11. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.